For our tip this week, we are doing a planting technique called mudding in. So I already dug this hole and I'm filling it up with water. And what this does is when I'm putting this new plant in, the root ball gets saturated with water and there's really limited, if any, transplant shock. We learned this from Jan McNeilin. She talks about it every year when she is planting in the spring. But you can also do it in the fall when you're doing your fall planting. So this is the time too that you make sure that the crown is not slipping below the level of the garden. And also you can add in amendments and add in compost if your soil is just a little bit too heavy clay. So mudding in, that's our tip of the week.